today what we've got is a new rear brake. I'm going to clean this up. See, it's a bit skanky looking in places, but I'm going to clean this up and then I'm going to repaint it in black. I'll show you how. So for this, what you're going to need is some wet and dry paper, obviously some water, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use it yet, but I've got some clear lacquer and some black spray paint. Okay, to prep the wet and dry, so recommended that you dunk it in water for a few minutes till it soaks up some of the water. This also makes the paper a little easier to use. If you've got one, then a block is a great idea, a sanding block, because obviously that's a flat surface, whereas this is mostly flat. There are a few very small curvatures on it, but if you just use your fingers, then you're sanding away mainly in the middle, because obviously your fingers aren't flat. So once you've sanded it down with the wet paper, wet and dry, and you've cleaned it, degreased it, hang it up somewhere suitable. We use some of this surface primer. It's probably a good idea seeing as there's some metal exposed. But first of all, before I start spraying anything, it's a good idea to give it a really good shake. Really mix up the paint. That's what the ball bearing's job is inside the can. It mixes up the paint at the bottom there with the rest of the thinners. If you don't do that, then you'll be losing a lot of paint left over in the bottom of the tin, which won't come out. Some time now, so it should be good. Right, so I think that's had enough time to dry now. Time to start shaking the black, and yeah, we'll give that a go. Right. That's enough. See how this turns out. Give it a light coat first. Let that dry for 10-15 minutes and then give it another quick coat over. So I'll stop it there, I'll come back to you afterwards. Right, so that's a very quick once over. I'm probably going to do another really light coat and then go over with a heavier one afterwards. Okay, so that's had a number of coats on it now, so I don't ruin the finish. I'm going to have to leave that overnight and leave that to cure properly before I start handling it.